Hi everyone, welcome to the Masters Education YouTube channel. This is Satya. Today our topic is problems solving on subsidiary books. Problem number 2, to prepare subsidiary books from the following transactions as on 31st March 2020. First transaction, Chaitanya business started with cash 8 lakhs rupees. Second date, goods purchased from Satya 1000 pence at the rate 10 rupees each. Third date, good purchase from Karthik 100 commerce materials at the rate 200 each. Now we are going to fourth date, goods sold to Balu 500 pence at the rate 15 each, and goods sold on cash 500 pence 10 each. Then sixth date, goods sold to Shiva 50 commerce materials at the rate 250 each, and seventh date, goods sold on cash 50 commerce materials at the rate 20 each. Now we are going to 8th date. Here goods returned to Satya 100 pence. Now we are going to 9th date. Goods returned to Karthik 10 commerce material. Now we are going to goods returned by Balu 100 pence. Now we are going to 11th date. Goods returned by Shiva 10 commerce materials. Then last transaction, that is 12th date, commission paid to Purna 5000 rupees. Now we are coming to observe one's problem. Here the goods purchased from Satya 1000 pence at the rate 10 each. Here the transaction is giving mixed version. It means units of purchase and units of sales. So we are taking another column. It is details column at the time of the preparing books. So now we are going to enter first transaction, that is Chaitanya started business with cash 8 lakhs. It is we are prepared cash account and capital account. Now we are coming to pro forma of cash account. We are already known cash account is T-shape. It have 5 columns in both sides: date, particulars, ledger, portfolio, amount. Now we are going to start preparation. Now we are coming to cash book debit side, date column 2020 March, where cut particular column to capital account, then go to amount 8 lakhs. The entry is complete. Now we are going to immediately capital account of Chaitanya. Here Chaitanya's capital account, going to credit side of date column 2020 March 1st, particulars by cash account. Then we are going to amount column, it's 8 lakhs. This entry is complete. Then we are going to another transaction. On 2nd March, goods purchased from Satya 1000 pence at the rate 10 each. Here once we are observe, here products is given is units or group of items. Now we are going to prepare purchase book. Pro forma purchase book, date, particulars, invoice reference, ledger, portfolio, details, amount. We are observe here this problem, we are taking another column for the purpose of giving units. Here coming to date column 2nd March, goods purchased from Satya. That's why reason we are taking as supplier name is Satya. Then going to details, we are purchased 1000 pence at the rate 10 each. That's why reason taken 1000 multiplied with 10. That amount is 10,000. We are taken as amount column. Now we are going to Satya's account, credit side of the date column. Here take date as March 2nd, particular column purchase by purchase account. Now we are coming to amount 10,000. We don't do calculate once. Why? Because we are already calculate total units amount, that is 10,000. Now we are going to another transaction. On 3rd March, goods purchased from Karthik 100 commerce material at the rate 200 each. Here once observe, here also goods are given in units of products. 100 multiplied with 200, it is actual total price of the amount. Now we are going to purchase book. 3rd March, goods purchased from Karthik 100 commerce material, each one 200. Now going to particular column Karthik, then details 100 multiplied with 200, that is 2000 amount. This is complete. Now we are going to immediately Karthik account, pro forma of Karthik account. It's have to debit side and credit side. Every side have 5 columns. Credit side of Karthik account, that is date column, date 3rd March, particulars by cash account. Now going to amount column, amount is 20,000. Here also we don't need to calculate total amount. Why? Because we are already calculate total at purchase book. It is complete. Now we going to another transaction. On 4th March, goods sold to Balu 500 pence at the rate 15 each. Here also giving the products are in units. Now we are going to sales book. Pro forma of sales book, coming to date column March 4th, particulars, customers details is Balu. Now we are going to details, 500 pens, each one 15 rupees sold. That's the reason we are taking with 500 into multiply 15. Then go to amount 7,500. Now Balu account, it's a date, particular, ledger, portfolio, amount. In credit side also same. Now we are calculate. Now we are coming to debit side of Balu account. Here March 4th to sales account 7,500. Now we don't need to prepare units of rupees. Why? Because we are already preparing sales book. Coming to another transaction, that is 5th date, goods sold on cash 500 pence at the rate 10 each. Here clearly defined, it is cash transaction. Now we are going to cash book. Here sales as always debit side of the cash book. Coming to debit side of the cash book, it is date column, date 5th March to sales account. Here goods are giving in units, 500 units into 10 rupees, it is 5,000. The transaction is completed. Now the above transaction, goods sold on cash 500 pence 10 each. We don't need to prepare especially sales book. Why? Because it is cash transactions. It is easily identified with the help of cash book. Now we are coming to another transaction, that is 6th March, goods sold to Shiva 50 commerce material 250 each. Here also goods are in units. Now we are going to sales book. Here coming to date column March 6th, particulars, customer Shiva name. Now we are coming to details, 50 commerce material, each one 250 rupees, 50 multiply with 250, it is 12,500. It is complete. Now we are going to Shiva's account. Now coming to the debit side of Shiva account, it is date column 6th March to sales account 12,500. This is clear. Now we are going to another transaction. March, goods sold on cash 50 commerce material at the rate 200 each. Now we are going to prepare cash account. Cash account debit side, date column 7th March to sales account. Here sales is given in units. That's why reason we are multiply with 50 into 200. Then total amount is 10,000. Now we don't prepare another account. Why? Because it is cash sales. Now we are coming to 8th date March, goods returned to Satya 100 pence. Here first we identify Satya is related to purchase returns or cash returns. Now going to 2nd date, purchase goods from Satya, it is goods return, purchase goods return. That's why reason we taking as purchase returns. Now we're going to prepare goods returns account related to purchase. It is pro forma purchase returns book, date, particulars, debit note, ledger, portfolio, details, amount. To date column, it is 8th March, particulars as Satya. Why? Because goods returns to Satya. Then coming into details, here at the transaction is not given returns amount. Why? Because the returns amount is taken as the when the time of the purchase amount is rupees, it will be apply. That's why reason we taking as 100 units into 10 rupees, it is 1000. Now its purchase returns is all, purchase is always credit side of the supplier account, then purchase return is debit side of the purchase account. That's why reason we are coming to debit side of Satya account. That is 8th March to purchase returns 1000 rupees. Here 1000 rupees we are already calculate where purchase return account, it is complete. Now we are going to another transaction. On 9th March, goods returned to Karthik, 10 commerce materials. Here first we identify goods returns is related to purchase return or sales returns. Now we are going to about transactions. Here Karthik is related to purchase. Why? Because on 3rd March goods purchase from Karthik. Now we are going to purchase returns book. Here coming to date column, 9th March, Karthik is supplier. Now we are going to details account, 100 into 200 rupees, it's 2000. Why? Because when purchase timing price is related to purchase return price. Now we are going to Karthik account. For going to Karthik account, we observe once there is no purchase returns transaction related to purchase return. That's why reason we are closing this account. Now total 3000. Then we are going to Karthik account. Now purchase is always credit to supplier account, then purchase return is always debit to supplier account. That's why reason we are taking debit side of the date column 9th March and to purchase returns 2000. Then we are going to, there is no related Karthik accounts, that's why reason we are taking balancing. Now compare both side. It is more than credit side, that is 20,000 take both side in columns. Now we are coming to debit side of the Karthik account, 31st March to balance carry down 20,000 minus 2,000, it is 18,000. It is balance carry down. It is also known closing amount for this month. This amount is transferred to credit side of the Karthik account by balance brought down. It is confirming as opening amount for next month. Whereas supplier Satya account is also same, there is no another transaction to both side. Now we can calculate in credit side amount is greater than to the debit side amount, that is 10,000 taken as both side. Now we are going to debit side of the Satya account, 31st March to balance carry down. This is 10,000 minus 1,000, it is equal to 9,000. This amount is closing amount for this month. This amount is transferred to next month, that is 1st April on credit side of Satya's account as balance brought down. We are coming to Chaitanya capital account. Here credit side is more than debit side. Debit side is no one transaction is here, that's why reason we are taking both side 8 lakhs. Now coming to debit side date column, 31st March and to balance carry down 8 lakhs, it is closing balance for this month. This amount is transferred to next month on credit side, that is April 1st by balance brought down 8 lakhs. We are coming to purchase book. There is no related transaction to purchase book, that's why reason we are also closing this account. Now 10,000 total 30,000. Now coming to sales account. Here also same, there is no related transaction to sales, that's why reason we are account is balancing. It is 7,500, 12,500, it is equal to 20,000, it is closed. Now we are going to another transaction. 10th March goods returned by Balu, 100 pence. Here we identify first it is sales returns or purchase return. We are already purchase returns are completed, that's why reason it is sales return. Now we are going to sales return book. It is pro forma of sales book. Now coming to date, particulars, credit note, ledger portfolio, details, amount. Coming to date column, 10th March. Here particulars Balu. Now going to details, 100 pence is written, each one 15 rupees. Why? Because at the selling time we are sale 15 rupees. Now amount 100 multiply with 15, it is 1500. Now we are going to immediately add up the Balu account, date 10th March, particular to sales returns, amount 1500. We don't need to prepare once again. Why? Because it is already calculated for units into total amount. Now we are coming to Balu whole account. There is no transaction related to Balu account, that's why reason we are now find out balancing. Now we did debit side amount is more than, that's why reason we are taking both sides 7,500. Now coming to credit side date column, that is 31st March by balance carry down 6,000 rupees. This amount is closing amount for this month. This amount is transferred to next month is debit side. that is date column in 1st April to balance brought down 6,000. Now it is clear. Now going to another transaction. 11th March goods written by Shiva, 10 commerce material. It is sales returns. We are going to sales return book. Now coming to date column 11th March, Shiva is customer. He returned goods to our. Now coming to details, it is 10 commerce materials written, each one 250, then 2500 amount, then no related transaction to sales returns. That's why reason we are balancing both side. Particulars total column, that is 1500 plus 2500, it is 4000. Sales return account is a complete. Now we are going to Shiva account. To credit side of Shiva account, date column 11th March, by sales returns 2500. Here there is no related transactions to Shiva account. That's why reason we are find out balancing. Debit side amount is greater than the credit side amount. That's why reason we are taking both side 12,500. Now we are going to credit side of Shiva account 31st March, by balance carried on. It is 12,500 minus 2,500, that is 10,000. This is closing amount for this month. This amount is transferred to next month as debit side. 1st April to balance brought down 10,000. It is completed. Now we are going to another transaction. 12th March, commission paid to Purna rupees 5,000. This is last transaction. We are going to first Purna's account, side of Purna account. 12th March to cash account, it is 5,000. Now there is no related transaction to Purna accounts. That's why reason we are taking both sides. Balance is 5,000. There is no credit side amount. Now we are coming to date column in credit side 31st March, balance carried on. It is 5,000. Now this amount is closing amount for this month. We are taking this amount to next month. That is debit side April 1st to balance brought down 5,000. Now we are going to cash account. Now we are coming to credit side date column 12th March, particulars by commission 5,000. Then there is no related transaction. That's why reason we are taking balancing. It is debit side, always amount is more than credit side. Why? Because it is cash book. Cash book is sold always debit balance. It is 8,05,000 plus 10,000, 8,15,000. Now we are calculate balancing. Now coming to credit side of cash book, that is 31st March, by balance carried on 8,15,000 minus 5,000, it is 8,10,000. This is closing balance for this month. This amount is transferred to next month on debit side, that is 1st April to balance brought down 8,10,000. Now all transactions is complete. This is subsidiary books of posting. Thank you for watching this class. If you are like this class, please subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos and share with your friends.